Click on the link below to get price. The Powermate PM3000i 3000-watt gas-powered portable inverter generator truly stands out in the crowded market of portable generators, particularly for those who prioritize quiet operation and portability. Weighing in at just around 60 pounds, this generator is impressively lightweight, making it easy to transport for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency power at home. One of the most significant advantages of the PM3000i is its ultra-quiet performance. Operating at a mere 58 dBA, it offers a sound level comparable to a normal conversation, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without the disruptive noise typical of conventional generators. This feature is particularly appreciated in camping settings, where maintaining the serenity of nature is paramount. The generator is equipped with a powerful 3000-watt peak and 2600-watt running capacity, making it suitable for various applications, from running essential household appliances during a power outage to powering tools on a job site. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power output, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. Ease of use is another strong point for the Powermate PM3000i. The control panel is laid out intuitively, featuring multiple outlets, including two 120V AC outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, providing versatility for different devices. The generator also includes a fuel gauge, making it easy to monitor your fuel levels at a glance. The fuel efficiency is commendable, with a runtime of up to 12 hours on a quarter load, which is impressive for a generator of this size. The Eco mode also optimizes fuel consumption based on the load, extending runtime further while minimizing environmental impact. Overall, the Powermate PM3000i is a well-rounded portable generator that excels in performance, portability, and quiet operation. Its thoughtful design and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice for anyone in need of portable power, whether for leisure or emergencies.